Okay, folks, this is going to be a unboxing for the silicone sleeve for Anker Soundcore 2. Let me open it. It's all made of silicone, super soft. And now we're gonna insert the Soundcore 2 speaker inside. This is a Soundcore speaker 2. We're going to insert one corner. Simple as you can see. It will protect, in a better way your speaker. That's a little clip on. You can see all the buttons there. So if you're interested in purchasing this item, I will leave my Amazon affiliate in the description. It will help me out a lot. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.